lesson preposition. So exercise is there related to preposition. Yesterday I had mentioned you related to preposition, single preposition, then with the double meaning, with the when noun and plus preposition they are adding, then verb is going to be, and when verb and preposition they are going to attach, then another preposition is there. So there are three kind of preposition. Now you have to create sentences. So I already have mentioned three type of. So simple, compound, and phrases. Simple means in, at, by, from, with, besides, with, simple. So compound means like beside, among, against, about, जिसमें double vowel लगते हैं. Phrases means noun या verb you have to take and you have to use any preposition besides, and then sentence would be created. Now you have to create sentence. Your time starts now.
People act, laugh, who don't have enough ability to stand in the society.
Okay. People laugh at.
By
Hmm.
in my hometown, people used to go by bus
Hmm.
in their surroundings.
Okay.
4.
Hmm.
4.
You can use them ahead or even in the end, depends. But you want to say.
4. To start the car, petrol is essential for machine. From
Distance from my house is
to my college is very low. In
is less.
today, I would like to go in museum.
Okay.
Of
Car.
I am brother of Ram.
Okay.
Of
So when you say there is any discount off
there
or there is a off,
is
बंद है.
discount on new cars up to 30 lakhs
Okay.
or 3 lakhs.
Okay, so that you have mentioned up to. वो use कर लिया, off use नहीं हुआ. There is 70% off.
Out. I think out of 10 students, 3 are very intelligent.
Okay.
Through.
तक थ्रू आउट नहीं कहते इसके द्वारा.
I throughout the year being hard.
Throughout the year I remain hardworking. You have to use them, but they would come in front of any noun or pronoun. वो depend करेगा क्या कहना है. If they are coming inside any subject or object, so they would be used as a phrase. फिर वो phrase की तरह लगेंगे.
Till 5 years, no one come.
Present नहीं है, past है. No one came to me.
Until you can't stop me.
नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा. until मतलब नोट होता है. until you go.
Until का मतलब जब तक ਹੁੰਦਾ है. No के में आ गया.
हाँ, तो जब तक ये नहीं होगा तब तक वो नहीं होगा. तो नहीं तो
Until-
लाइन में आएगा, हिंदी में आएगा, इंग्लिश में नहीं आता.
Until I
पॉजिटिव लाइन बनाओ.
do work, money may be come to me.
अब दूसरी लाइन में नोट आ जाएगा.
Come to me ठीक है.
मनी में
Come to me.
कम. फिर आपका हिंदी नहीं बना ना.
क्यों? अगर मैं मेहनत करूंगा तो मेरे पास पैसा आ जाएगा.
आपका ना बच्चे के लाइन. जब तक मैं स्ट्रगल नहीं करता पैसा नहीं आएगा. नहीं का नहीं बनेगा.
Until I
वर्क हार्ड,
work hard,
मनी वुडंट कम.
Up.
तक, यहाँ तक.
ऊपर.
आपका मतलब ऊपर होता है, मतलब यहाँ तक.
car may be stand
Up to that extent, concession can be given to you.
with
With के साथ.
today I would like to said that with
I would like to
said-
say.
that I come with my
Hmm.
come with my family
Okay.
into
किसी चीज के अंदर होना छानबीन करना.
water maybe pass into my life
Okay.
upon
अपन किसी चीज के बीच में होना. You can trust
sparrow
upon.
is upon my head.
Okay. Try. First you just make, then gradually you will know how to make them in a correct way. On, per. So we say books are on the table, below the table, above the table, in or out.
The fair is on 6 January.
So when we mention about the timing of anything, on Monday, on Sunday, on Tuesday, दिनों के हिसाब से लगाते हैं.
Over.
पर या को.
Over
Over when we say it's finish, or when we say it's huge, हम कहते हैं ना कि over excited मत हो. Don't get over excited. तो over मतलब ज़्यादा भी होता है.
over things
तो over trust भी होता है ज़्यादा. Over confidence भी होता है.
over if we do things over it may be
Over का मतलब ज़्यादा भी होता है. Over का मतलब ऊपर भी होता है.
taking on
Fell down.
it may be fell down it may
भी नहीं आएगा. It may fell down.
be round
और over का मतलब और भी निकलता है. Multiple meaning होते हैं इनके.
round
Around चारों तरफ.
around
Around. Okay.
go on
Round चारों ओर.
dog is
Rounding.
rounding myself
Surrounding नहीं.
around compound among
अब ये डबल वाले आ गए हैं.
I'm going
ये कंजक्शन की तरह भी यूज होते हैं.
I'm going to the park among my parents against
Among you are to use when you say कि ये चीजें हैं. There are like 4 chairs. ठीक है. तो when you say among one table, तो एक टेबल के साथ. That when there is one thing in that way and rest of things are
against
खिलाफ भी होता है और भी मतलब निकलते हैं इसके. Like against this policy you can be arrested. तो against का मतलब खिलाफ भी होता है और इसके हवाले से भी होता है.
today all the people are against to the government
Okay. But why don't they understand they are also the government?
cross
दिमाग में आ जाना. Across my mind. So that plan across my mind. कि मैं
pronoun दिया कि अंदर आ गया
आ गया, घूम गया दिमाग के अंदर. क्रॉस कर गया. Across.
the thing that you are talking about is across my mind about
अराउंड चारों तरफ. फोटोग्राफर्स गैदर्ड अराउंड हिम. उसके चारों तरफ. दिस ट्रीज अराउंड योर हाउस. द ट्री अराउंड योर हाउस आर लश ग्रीन. जो आपके घर के चारों तरफ के जो पेड़ हैं चारों तरफ. एट होता है निशाना किसी पे. एट कुड बी फॉर टाइम. एट कुड बी फॉर अमाउंट. एट कुड बी फॉर द लोकेशन.
about
अबाउट मीन्स के बारे में. के लगभग. या तो के बारे में या फिर के लगभग मतलब इतने के लगभग होगा ये. अबाउट 10 लाख इतना लगेगा. मनी में आ जाए.
the home do you want to buy is maybe of 20 lakh
इट मे बी.
about
It may be about to. So about could be of price. About could be of like what about you. तो के बारे में भी आ सकता है. About related to money also. And about related to height also you can say that this is about 30 feet, this is about 40 feet. और time के लिए भी आ सकता है, time would be about like 8:40 right now.